Good morning, everyone. Today is the 13th of December, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting the morning market update. The Nifty closed at 18,497 yesterday. The markets opened weak, but in the first half an hour rebounded and protected the 18,400 level. Bank Nifty, PSU banks, and the oil and gas sector were the top gainers, continuing with their strength. Technically, the view doesn't change. As mentioned yesterday, 18,400 will be the important level, and a close below which may take the indices down to 18,100. The bulls will gain strength once the index starts trading above 18,650-670 levels. Some interesting activity on option chain was seen yesterday. The 18,600 call has seen over 23 lakh contracts of open interest wind up, whereas 18,300 to 18,500 strikes have seen good amount of put writing and an open interest addition, clearly indicating the support zones as per the option data. The advanced decline on Nifty 500 was bullish yesterday, indicating stock-specific actions in the market. The sector rotation feature on StockEdge app shows delivery and volumes in the paper and the aviation sector. Coming to the macros, yesterday the Indian IIP data was announced, which was not as per the expectations of the market consensus. It is at negative 4% versus the expectation of 0.3% year on year for the month of October. The consumer price index CPI also came in at 5.88% versus the expectation of 6.4%. The global markets were strong yesterday, major indices gaining around 1.5%, and SGX Nifty currently trades flat at 18,630. To conclude, markets may consolidate within the 18,400 to 670 zone, whereas stock-specific actions may continue. Unless we have a decisive break on either side, momentum will lag. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 18,345 and 18,280, resistance 18,600 and 650. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 43,400 and 42,950, resistance 44,000 and 44,200. Thank you.